In a world where time is of the essence, a smart cleaning solution like this, Tipdiy Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping, this advanced robotic cleaner provides an all-in-one solution to keep your home spotless with minimal effort on your part. But is it really the game changer it claims to be? Let's dive into the details and find out why the Tipdiy G90 could be the answer to your household cleaning problems. Imagine coming home to sparkling floors every day without ever lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? With the Tipdiy Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, this dream becomes a reality. What sets the Tipdiy G90 apart from the competition is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. No need for separate machines, extra time, or double cleaning sessions. With its integrated vacuum and mop system, this robotic cleaner ensures that your floors are dust-free and shiny in one go. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, food crumbs, or stubborn footprints, the G90's dual system is designed to handle it all. The vacuum feature offers a powerful 4,200 PA suction, strong enough to pick up debris from hardwood floors and carpets, while the mop ensures that even sticky spots are wiped away. This combination makes the Tipdiy Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo a perfect solution for families with pets, kids, or high-traffic homes. Tired of cleaning your floors after every meal, play session, or pet grooming? Let the Tipdiy G90 do the work for you. With its double cleaning feature, you'll enjoy cleaner floors without breaking a sweat. Robots are only as smart as their sensors, and the Tipdiy G90 doesn't disappoint. This robotic vacuum is equipped with cutting-edge smart sensors that allow it to navigate your home with precision. It detects obstacles, avoids hazardous drops, and even recharges itself when the battery runs low. You don't have to worry about baby-proofing your home for the robot. It will automatically adjust and avoid knocking over your furniture or getting stuck in tight corners. Its automatic mode switching capabilities mean that it can effortlessly adapt between hardwood floors, low carpets, and tile, ensuring a deep clean wherever it goes. The G90 also features intelligent mapping technology, so it learns the layout of your home and improves its cleaning efficiency over time. It doesn't miss spots and can cover your entire house without getting confused or lost. What if your robot vacuum could avoid obstacles, clean in tight spaces, and automatically recharge? With the Tipdiy G90, it's all possible, making your life easier, one clean at a time. If you're a pet owner, you know the constant battle with pet hair and dander. The Tipdiy G90 tackles this issue head-on with its incredible 4,200 PA suction power. This high suction level ensures that even the most embedded pet hair gets sucked up, leaving your floors hair-free and spotless. Unlike many other vacuums that can't handle the challenge of long pet hair, the G90 is specifically designed for homes with pets. It reduces the frustration of having to constantly untangle hair from brushes, making it a must-have for pet lovers. Not only does it remove pet hair, but it also filters dust and allergens, ensuring your home's air quality is better as a result. Pet owners rejoice. The Tipdiy G90 is here to save you from the never-ending battle with pet hair. With powerful suction and smart design, it takes care of your pet's mess, so you don't have to. One of the standout features of the Tipdiy G90 is the multiple control options it offers. Whether you're a tech-savvy person or prefer a more traditional approach, this robot has you covered. You can control it through the dedicated Tipdiy app, use voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or simply opt for the included remote control. Through the app, you can schedule cleaning times, select specific areas for cleaning, adjust the cleaning mode, and monitor its progress, all from the palm of your hand. This flexibility makes it easier to customize your cleaning experience to fit your lifestyle, ensuring your floors stay clean no matter what your day looks like. Imagine controlling your vacuum from anywhere in your home, or even when you're not home. With the Tipdiy G90 and its multiple control options, you're always in charge of the cleaning. The Tipdiy G90 is perfect for larger homes thanks to its impressive battery life and large dustbin. With up to 120 minutes of runtime on a full charge, this robot can clean your entire home in one go. If the battery runs low during a session, it automatically returns to its charging station, recharges, and resumes cleaning right where it left off. The larger dustbin and water tank also mean you don't have to constantly stop to empty or refill during cleaning. This allows for a more efficient and uninterrupted cleaning process, making it ideal for households with busy schedules. More cleaning, less hassle. The Tipdiy G90 can clean for up to 120 minutes, recharge itself, and pick up where it left off, so you can relax while it does the hard work. Ready to experience hassle-free cleaning? The Tipdiy G90 comes with everything you need to start your journey towards a cleaner, smarter home. Conclusion: is the Tipdiy G90 robot vacuum worth it? The Tipdiy robot vacuum and mop combo is a powerful, versatile, and intelligent cleaning solution that delivers on its promises. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, this robot vacuum is designed to make your life easier. Its powerful suction, smart navigation, and multiple control options make it a top contender in the market. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and hands-off way to keep your home spotless, the Tipdiy G90 is an excellent investment. Don't miss out on the chance to simplify your cleaning routine.